Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac, second to none. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.